Here's what you need to know about what is a honeypot. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A honeypot is a decoy system designed to attract attackers and study their behavior. It looks like a real target, but has no legitimate users or data. Security teams use honeypots to detect intrusions, gather threat intelligence, and slow down attackers. Key concept: decoy system setup. A honeypot mimics a real server or network resource. It is intentionally left vulnerable to lure attackers away from real systems. Key concept: threat intelligence gathering. Any activity on a honeypot is suspicious by definition. No real user should access it. This makes it easy to detect and analyze attack techniques. Key concept: Honeynet for larger scale. A honeynet is a network of multiple honeypots. It gives a broader view of attacker movement and lateral spread across systems. Key concept: legal and ethical risks. Honeypots must be carefully controlled. If an attacker uses your honeypot to attack others, your organization could face legal liability. Let's look at the full breakdown. Honeypot. Decoy single system. Attracts and monitors attackers. Low interaction or high interaction. Used for threat intelligence. Honeynet. Network of decoy systems. Simulates full environment. Captures lateral movement. Used for advanced research. Here's a real-world example. A bank's security team sets up a fake server labeled payroll backup on an internal VLAN. No real employee ever accesses it. When an attacker breaches the network and connects to it, the SIEM immediately alerts the SOC team. The team watches the attacker's moves in real time without risking real data. Quick recap before you go. 1. A honeypot is a decoy system used to attract and study attackers. 2. Any access to a honeypot is automatically suspicious. No real users touch it. 3. Honeypots gather threat intelligence on attacker tools and techniques. 4. A honeynet is a network of multiple honeypots for broader deception. 5. Legal risk exists if honeypots are used as launch pads for attacks on others. That's what is a honeypot. Covered. Exam tip. On the exam, honeypot =sign decoy system for detection and intelligence. If a question mentions luring attackers or studying attack behavior, the answer is honeypot. Next up, what is SDN? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.